Removing a drive backplane, carrier assembly, and drive backplane. Note, the SR860 V3 is shown in this video, but the replacement procedures for the SR860 V4 are identical. Remove the front top cover. Note, if a flash power module is installed, disconnect the cable of the flash power module from the extension cable. If there is an M.2 drive installed on the air baffle, disconnect the M.2 backplane cables. Remove the front air baffle. Remove the fans and fan cage. Remove all the 2.5-inch hot swap drives and drive fillers. Record the cable connections, and then disconnect the power and signal cables from the backplanes. To remove the drive backplane carrier assembly for a 2.5-inch bay chassis, pull the plunger up to disengage the backplane carrier. Move the top of the backplane carrier away to remove it from the server. Remove the 2 screws that secure the backplane, and then remove the backplane from the drive backplane carrier.